Hi, welcome to Shek Insight, where we learn about stocks and investment. Now we are going to talk about the different type of stocks and which one are the best to invest in. There are two main types of stocks, growth stocks and value stocks. Let me explain what they mean. Growth stocks are like those new model iPhone that everyone wants to have. People believe that these stocks will become even more valuable in the future without paying much attention to the company financial information. And these growth stocks are often overpriced and expensive. It is a bit like when the price of onion or tomatoes suddenly goes up and down. They may be expensive for a while, but eventually their prices go back to normal. On the other hand, value stocks are like those unattractive things that are that are a great deal at the store. They might not seem exciting at first, but they have the potential to become very valuable over time. It is like when you find something really cheap that turns out to be worth a lot more later on. Value stocks refer to stock that are presently undervalued but has a good record. It's like a hidden gem. Now, you might be wondering which type of stock is better. Well, many experts believe that value stocks can provide higher return and are safer than growth stocks. This is because growth stocks can sometimes crash and lose a lot of their value. It is like a new iPhone model you thought was really cool, but when another latest model comes out, it becomes suddenly cheaper. To make smart investment decision, it is important to do something called fundamental analysis. This means studying the cold and hard number of a company business. By doing this, you can understand how much company is actually worth and whether it is good investment or not. You see, the price of a stock is determined by an auction, just like how people bid on things on eBay. Investors buy and sell stocks every day, which affect their prices. But a company value is different. It is based on how much profit the company makes and how much it expected to grow. The value of a stock company does not change every second like the price of a stock. There is a smart investor named John Bogle who says that a company's true value is determined by its dividend and earnings, which grow slowly over time. He calls the investment this as investment return. On the other hand, the price that traders are willing to pay for the company's share at any given moment is called the speculative return. Speculative return are not based on anything concrete, just on how much people are willing to pay. But in the long run, the investment return and the speculative return will be the same. The company market value will eventually match its fundamental value. Some people argue that instead of analyzing individual stocks, it is better to invest in something called an index. An index is nothing but a collection of stocks that represent a whole market. But the index investor to do some sort of fundamental analysis to choose which index is best to invest in. I hope you will learn a lot about the stock and investing today. If you found this information helpful, remember to subscribe, like and share. Happy investing and see you next time.